Hey everyone, welcome. Good to see you again. And I am super excited today to talk to you about your amazing body. When my one of my grandnephews was little and I was babysitting him, he was watching this series of videos on YouTube, and they all had little songs, and this one stuck in my head. The chorus of it stuck in my head, and it went, "All because of my amazing body." And talked about all of the wonderful things that you could do because you have this amazing body. And so that's been stuck in my head for years now. And sometimes when I'm running, I get this thing where when I run, my foot falls. They call to mind different rhythms, and so like a song that matches that rhythm will like link up in my brain while I'm focusing on running, and that's one of the ones that kind of gets stuck in there because it just the way that my foot falls happen when I'm running just kind of matches that, I guess. And it's absolutely appropriate. It is so wonderful to think about as I am running, that I get to do these things because of my amazing body. Some of you know my history, and I've had some health issues. And, my body is amazing. It got me through cancer and blood clots in my lungs and all kinds of things that happened to me. I was able to manage them and get through them because of this right here, this thing that houses me. It's doing its best all day, every day. And I think about that often because I spent years and years hating my body, just hating it because it didn't look like it was supposed to look according to our culture. And I spent a lot of years in a very negative state. And our bodies don't deserve that. You know, expectations and enculturation, we can't help it. It gets in there. It gets into our brains. We were all raised by people who bought into it. You can only be beautiful and loved and acceptable if you look like this. And usually whatever this is not what you are. I mean, I grew up thinking I couldn't be beautiful because I wore glasses. I had brown hair instead of blonde hair. And my fat body, forget it. I bought into a lot of lies. And because of that, I didn't treat my body very nicely because I just felt like, what was the point? And yet, my body was trying so hard to take good care of me. I got up every day. I went to work. I hung out with friends. I moved. I walked. I hiked. My body was doing all that, even when I hated it, even when I was so mean to it. And yet it just showed up for me every single day. And you know what? Your body is doing the same thing. Even if you have all of these cultural expectations in your head, even if you hate your nose because it doesn't look right, or you hate your ankles, or I hate even saying that. Ankles are just ankles. And so what if they're bigger than other people's? Like, our bodies are amazing. They keep us going. And I want to remind you today to thank your body. I know this can be hard. So if you do not feel like I can wholeheartedly thank my whole body, I get it. That's a broad step for a lot of people. But maybe just start with one thing that you can thank your body for, whether it's your lungs for breathing today, because that's pretty awesome. And you should be pretty grateful for that because that's what keeps you chugging along and able to hug your children and able to walk your dog and able to snuggle up with a friend or a partner or your beloved pet. All of those things happen because your lungs keep breathing, because your body keeps moving. And even on the days when it does not want to do what you want it to do, or, if you struggle with chronic illness, I totally get it. But there are things that your body is still doing the best it can. And the love that we give it, the support that we give it, the gratitude that we hold for it is really important. It integrates you so that you're not up here floating around and this thing is just here moving around. You are together. And maybe you don't love that yet. You can work on that. I'd love to help you, by the way. That's like my whole jam. So, connect with me if that sounds like something you want to work on. But just think your body as a whole, if you feel like you can, or parts of your body, whatever you can do today to be grateful. You have a pretty amazing body, and it is doing its level best to keep you going. So give it a little shout out. Give it a little thank you. Thank you, lungs, for breathing. Thank you, eyes, for seeing. Thank you, hands, for holding the face of my loved one. Whatever it is, show it a little love today, because your body, it's pretty amazing. All right, that's it for today. I will see you all next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to know when new videos come out. Until next time.